Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. How to style DIY vintage farmhouse cottage decor, rustic and charming home ideas 2025. There's a certain charm in vintage-inspired cottage decor. Weathered wood, soft textures, aged metals, and layers of history that make a home feel both nostalgic and inviting. If you've ever wanted to create a cozy, collected space that feels like it's been built up over time, the vintage rustic farmhouse cottage style is perfect for you. It's warm, welcoming, and filled with character in all the right ways. This look blends timeless farmhouse comfort with the relaxed sweetness of cottage living. Think thrifted treasures, handmade accents, natural materials, and muted tones. Add in touches like open shelves, soft floral fabrics, and a few distressed pieces to make it feel truly authentic. It's about creating a space that tells a story and feels lived in the best way. In today's video, we're sharing simple DIY decor trends and styling ideas that will help you bring this vintage rustic vibe into your own home. From crafting your own antique look wall art to repurposing flea market finds and layering textiles for depth and softness, these ideas are easy to recreate and full of charm. You don't need a big budget or a full makeover, just a little creativity and a love for timeless details. So grab your tea, settle in, and enjoy these cozy decor ideas that bring old-world warmth into modern spaces. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video from Home Go Time. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope these vintage farmhouse cottage DIY ideas inspire you to create a space that feels grounded, beautiful, and uniquely your own. Whether you're styling a shelf or reimagining a whole room, it's the little things that make a house feel like home. Until next time, keep layering love, texture, and character into every corner of your home.